Hello everyone. Now in BCom semester on Business Mathematics Unit 2 differentiation, we are going to learn chain rule, but with division rule. Okay, or in short, there are two combined rule: chain rule and division rule. See, it is look like u upon v raised to 6. Y equal to, our question is y equal to, differentiate the following is common heading: y equal to 2x plus 3 upon 4x plus 5 raised to 6. First of all, we are taking it is equals to u upon v raised to 6. Okay. So what is derivative of y equal to u upon v raised to 6 by using chain rule? See, here we are using two combined rule. એટલે ખાસ ધ્યાનથી આપણે division rule કયો છે એ પણ યાદ કરી લઈએ. Division rule is v into du dx minus u into dv dx upon v square. Okay, and remember that here numerator is u equal to 2x plus 3, and denominator v equal to 4x plus 5. Okay, so now we are applying our chain rule. Okay, therefore dy by dx equals to dy upon dx equal to, first of all, suppose it is something. It is something raised to 6. Something raised to 6 means what? Suppose it is x raised to 6, then what is derivative? It is 6 into something to power 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Something raised to 5. Okay, like 2x plus 3 divided by 4x plus 5. Okay, we completed derivative of raised to 6. Now we have to differentiate. Wait. Now we have to differentiate 2x plus 3 upon 4x plus 5. Means u upon v નું derivative હજી બાકી છે. તો multiplied by ddx of remaining terms 2x plus 3 and 4x plus 5 upon 4x plus 5. Okay. Now applying this rule. આ સ્ટેપ આપણું કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ ગયું છે એટલે આવા યાદ નથી કરવાનું. 6 2x plus 3 upon 4x plus 5 raised to 5 as it is into ddx of 2x plus 3 upon 4x plus 5, applying rule of division here. Division rule here. First we are putting v square, but v equal to what? 1 by 1 આ રીતે આપણે રફ કરતા જાય. v equal to 4x plus 5 whole square. 4x plus 5 whole square. Okay. Now v as it is, v means 4x plus 5 as it is, into du by dx. Du by dx equal to what? Du by dx equal to derivative of u. 2x plus 3 derivative is 2. Then by negative sign, चलो ये पण निकल गई, u equal to 2x plus 3 into derivative of denominator dv dx is equals to 4x plus 5. Okay, so this is our chain rule, divided by 4x plus 5 whole square, 4x plus 5 whole square. Okay, now simplify this. First term as it is 6 into 2x plus 3 upon 4x plus 5 to power 5 multiplied by, now product 4x plus 5 into 2 is 8x plus 10 minus 2 into derivative is 4x plus 5 derivative અહીંયા 4 તો આપણે આખું લખાઈ ગયું. 4 2s are 8x plus 12 upon 4x plus 5 whole square. Okay, now open this bracket, 6 as it is, 2x plus 3 upon 4x plus 5 to power 5 as it is. Now open this bracket, 8x plus 10 minus 8x minus 12 divided by 4x plus 5 whole square. Okay, Now see, 8x, 8x cancel out. Okay, so what left? 6 multiplied by 2x plus 3 upon 4x plus 5 raised to 5 into 10 minus 12 becomes minus 2. Minus 2 upon 4x plus 5 whole square. Okay, now moving to in multiplication of 6. Minus 2 into 6 is minus 12. Now I am writing 2x plus 3 raised to 5. Okay, we are giving a power to each term and 4x plus 5 raised to 5 also. Multiplied by 1 upon what left? 4x plus 5 whole square. Because આપણે 2 ને ક્યાં મોકલી દીધા છે આગળ મોકલી દીધા છે આપણો આન્સર શું થશે -12 into 2x plus 3 raised to 5 upon 4x plus 5 raised to 5 and raised to 2 becomes 4x plus 5 raised to 7. This is our answer. Okay. Okay, our next sum is regarding under root. Here also we have to use two rule, division rule and chain rule. See, it is equals to, say it is equals to under root of u upon v. Okay. And what is rule of division? We are taking u equal to numerator 3x plus 5 and v equal to denominator 4x plus 7. Now writing dy dx. So dy by dx is equals to, this is a rule of division, v du dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square. Okay. Now try to find answer. First, under root. What is derivative of under root? Suppose this is equals to something. Something लगभग x આપણે માની લઈએ. Under root x. Derivative is dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 into under root of, 1 by 2 under root of 3x plus 5 upon 4x plus 7. Okay. So 1 upon 2 under root of 3x plus 5 into 4x plus 7. ચાલો તો આનું કામ complete થઈ ગયું. Now what left? Into ddx of 3x plus 5 upon 4x plus 7 left. Okay. So first step is as it is, no change, 1 by 2 into under root of 3x plus 5 upon 4x plus 7 multiplied by, now applying division rule here. See, 1 by 1 આપણે રફ કરતા જઈશું. ચાલો v as it is, v equal to 4x plus 7 as it is. ચાલો v નીકળી ગયું, 4x plus 7, sorry, 4x plus 7 as it is into du by dx. Derivative of u is 3 minus, minus sign આવી ગઈ, u as it is, u equal to what? U equal to 3x plus 5 as it is. 3x plus 5 as it is into dv dx. dv dx equal to derivative of v, 4x derivative 4 upon v square. V square means derivative of 4x plus 7 whole square. Okay. Now simplify this. 1 by 2 under root of 3x plus 5 upon 4x plus 7 અને આ 2 multiplied by, ચલો bracket open કરો તો 4 3s are 12x plus 21. Now I am directly applying negative sign to this bracket. ચાલો એટલે બંને માઇનસ થાય અથવા તો -4 આવી રીતે છે એમ સમજો. બરાબર છે? તો શું થશે? -12x minus 20 divided by 4x plus 7 whole square, and it is equals to 1 by 2 under root of 3x plus 5 upon 4x plus 7. multiplied by 12x cancel out. So what left? 1 upon 4x plus 7 whole square. This is our answer. અને આગળ સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરવો હોય તો પણ કરી શકાય, બટ એટલું આપણે નથી કરવું. આ રીતે આન્સર લખીએ કે 1 upon 2 4x plus 7 whole square into under root of 3x plus 5 upon 4x plus 7. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, one more sum we are taking for practice. Y equal to 2x plus 1. ચાલો અહીંયા હવે આપણે ડાયરેક્ટ આનો યુઝ કરશું. 2x plus 1 upon 3x plus 5 whole square. Suppose it is equals to u upon v whole to power 5. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx equals to, first putting 5 in front, into 2x plus 1 upon 3x minus 5 raised to 4. બરાબર છે? chain rule apply થઈ ગયું. Into derivative of u upon v. So u upon v, so v as it is means 3x minus 5 as it is, into derivative of numerator is 2 minus numerator 3x minus 5 into derivative of denominator, here we have to put numerator 2x plus 1 into derivative of denominator 3x, derivative 3, 5, derivative 0 upon v square 3x minus 5 whole square. And it is equals to 5 into 2x plus 1 to power 4 upon 3x minus 5 to power 4. આપણે અલગ અલગ આ રીતે લખ્યું. Multiplied by, okay, simplified numerator 3 2s are 6x minus 10. અને અહીંયા માઇનસ સાઇન અપ્લાય કરો તો minus 6x minus divided by 3x minus 5 whole square. 6x cancel out. So what left? 5 into 2x plus 1 to power 4 upon 3x minus 5 to power 4, and here 3x minus 5 to power 2 becomes 3x minus 5 to power 6 multiplied by what left? Minus 10 minus 3 becomes minus 13. Okay, and our answer is minus 13 into 5 is minus 65 into 2x plus 1 to power 4 divided by 3x minus 1 to power 6. This is our answer. So આ રીતે શોર્ટમાં પણ આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરી શકીએ. ઓકે, સો આઈ હોપ કે ચેઇન રૂલ ડિવિઝન રૂલ બંને આપણે સાથે લીધા, સમજાઈ ગયું છે તમને. Okay, now we will meet in next lecture. So goodbye everyone.